Chris Janock here for Insight Media, Hisense booth 2023 CES. Going to look at their laser TVs. They offer laser TVs in both single laser as well as triple laser solutions. So this year is basically an update for their existing product lines. Let's take a look at their single laser first of all. So this is called their 100 L5HU series projector. This is offered in 100 and 120-inch screen sizes. Here's your ultra short throw projector here. This is the single laser one is a laser phosphor solution, so blue laser and a phosphor wheel. Here's some of the specifications that they've talked about. What's new is a change from the Android TV, which was last year, to Google TV this year. They've added the ATSC 3.0 tuner to this as well. The 2700 lumens, Dolby Vision, Dolby Atmos, HDR10 plus support. And again, this is a DLP-based 4K using a full HD imager with a 4-shifter mechanism. With a new Daylight screen, an ambient light rejection screen from Daylight, which last year was I think about a 0.6 gain screen. This year is now a 1.0 gain screen, which will be able to deliver about 360 nits on screen with with a 100-inch screen and the 2700 lumens. 83% of P3 color gamut, 3 HDMI 2.1 connectors, and the throw distance is about 11.3 inches for this 100-inch screen. So let's go take a look at their 3-laser solutions. First, they showed this as a 3-laser prototype, which is just a product demonstration at this point, showing a much smaller footprint here. This will not be available this year, but could be available in 2024, we were told. This is the format for their existing triple laser projectors. And this now has 3,000 lumens and a 40-watt sound system. Again, gone from Android TV to Google TV at this point. 100-inch, same change in the screens. A Daylight 1.0 gain screen now available for this. 107% of the BT 2020 color gamut, which means that they've moved the primaries. They have different primaries in the standards. What that means should be white. It's let's see, May. It should be available with about a 3,000 to 1 contrast is what I've got here. Again, 1080p imager with a 4-shifter DLP solution here. So that's about the story for the standard 4K projectors, laser TV projectors here at Hisense.